traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link to find out more information about that can be found up here in the corner. So on Gold Monthly, I still think this is a 1, an ABC of 2, a big wave 3, an ABC of 4. I think we're going up right now for a wave 5, which is going to go at least to the 61 and maybe even further than that to finish off this uptrend. I definitely don't think this uptrend is over yet. So going down to the weekly time frame, you really do have to kind of squish this down a little bit to kind of understand what's going on, because we have a nice impulsive up wave 1, corrective down wave 2. I believe we're in a wave 3 right now, and I believe that a wave 3 needs to be beyond the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected off the bottom of wave 2. Wave 3s need to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, or else they're not even a wave 3. So that tells me that this needs to go beyond that 100% level, probably all the way up to one of these higher levels to finish off this uptrend. So, keeping that in mind, let's head down to the shorter time frames. On the shorter time frames is where you can see the 1. I think this is an ABC of 2. This may be a 1 of 3 and a 2 of 3 right here. It definitely would make a lot of sense if we were now in a wave 3 of 3. Now this line right here that I have represents all-time highs. So I would definitely expect a lot of volatility around this area, because there's going to be a lot of sellers trying to push it down from these all-time highs. But I do think that we are possibly in a wave 3 of 3, and I do believe that it will keep on going up. But like I said, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of volatility, a lot of pullbacks, a lot of up-down action on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, we already got a pullback starting. I so far only have my Fibonacci on the last wave, because this right here may just be a crescent to the last wave, and it very easily could just keep on going up. I do believe it will break this structure level, all-time highs, probably end up pulling back, retesting it, and maybe just keep on trending up from there. Heading right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it definitely does kind of look like a little like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 type thing here, but that last wave is way too stretched out to be a final wave, I believe. It kind of looks like it's only in a wave A right now, but sometimes a wave where you think is going to be a wave B will stretch right out and just keep on going, so be careful of that. But it does look like a wave B should be next, and it does look like it should go down, maybe hit the 61 or the 78% to make a wave C, then make an impulsive move up, break structure, and most likely end up continuing the uptrend. We do have non-farm payroll coming out tomorrow. We had federal funds rate yesterday, so it's definitely a big week for the dollar. So maybe tomorrow will be the day when this ends a crescent and ends up continuing the uptrend. I'm sure once it gets close to this area, it's going to see some volatility, some pullbacks, probably some spikes and everything else. So definitely be aware that we are approaching all-time highs with gold. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.